Today on How To Blinds, we'll show you how to install a classic roller blind. First, we're going to mark out our universal bracket positions. Using a pencil, strike a point at least 55mm away from the window. And do the same for the other side of the recess. Now we can secure our brackets. We'll start by screwing our idle end into the previously marked spot, ensuring the bracket isn't completely flush against the wall so you can fit your bracket covers. Secure with a second screw, and you can now fit your bracket cover. Once the idle end is secure, we can do the same with our control end bracket. Now our brackets are in place, we can install the roller blind. Start by inserting the plunge end of the roller into the idle end bracket, and then pop your control end into place. Once installed, we'll double check the operation of the blind. Your roller blind will come with child-safe easy break connectors, which will break apart under too much pressure and will easily click back together. Now we can move on to the motorized roller blind. Install your brackets in the blind the exact same way as before. The limits of the blind will already be set, so when you press down on your one-touch remote, the blind will go down to your lower limit, and vice versa with your upper limit when you press the up button. And that's how to install your manual and motorised classic roller blind. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.